Hello friends, welcome to the world of Persang Karaoke. Thank you for buying our most featureable product Fusion PK9090. Okay, first of all I will explain you what you will get it along with the system. Alright, this is the system receiver. Okay, you will get the power adapter to start the system. Along with you will get it both cable HDMI and AV cable. Okay, you will get this both cordless microphone and the fully function remote control. You will get AA and AAA batteries for the remote control and this cordless microphone. Alright, and this one is the USB dongle. Without this dongle you cannot connect this microphone with the system. So for the running this microphone you need this dongle. And this is the rubber stand to hold the microphone. Okay, now I will explain you how to start the system and how it works. First of all, you have to connect this charger. Alright, like this, and plug into your system. Okay, then the HDMI cable, the one portion of HDMI cable will goes in this system and the other end will goes into your TV. Okay, now you can see the booting video. Okay, this is the UI. In this UI for singing a song or using a karaoke system, you have to go for this Fusion. In Fusion you can enter here. Alright, you can see here this Hindi, this language is singer wise search, recording, favorite option and numerical search is here. Just click on the Hindi and in here you can see all Hindi songs will be here. It is defined in category wise. Alright, you can see here the languages which we have already in the system. Alright, okay, this one is the singer wise search. If you don't know the name of the song, you can directly search from the singer also. This facility is also available, and you can see the reason option is here. So whenever you sing, whenever you have a get together in your home, just select the songs first and you can play the song. It will be run one by one automatically. You don't have to touch a remote control again and again. Whenever you record the song, you can see all the recordable songs here in your record folder. This is the favorite option. In our library so many songs are favorite from your side, so you can directly select the songs and keep it in favorite option, so you don't have to search again and again. This option is for album wise search. If you don't know the singer and if you don't know the song name, you can directly search from movie name. So movie names are also available here, you can see that. Okay, and this one is the numerical search. Actually we are providing a e-book along with the system, so you can directly see the number of the songs and type it here, and you will directly find the song on the page. Alright, and you can see the YouTube also. YouTube is here. So whenever some songs are not available in your system, you can directly find a YouTube option and you can directly go for YouTube and sing that songs also. Okay, and there is some applications. This one is the Android system, so some applications are already here, so you can directly search that application. Even you can connect your Play Store and download some applications also from the Play Store. Okay, alright, and so this one is a smart system. So This system will make your normal television to a smart television. Alright, thank you friends.